So today we will see about the UI UX, and the course code is BCS 456C. And when it comes to UI UX, UI means it is user interface, and UX means it is user experience. So the course objectives are user understand user experience design requirements with design goals, design metrics and targets, explore different prototyping methods, UX design principle with case example, understand the role of design thinking concept and mental model in UX design. And the course outcomes are explain the user experience design requirements, relate design thinking concept and mental models to UX design, illustrate UX design in line with the design goals, metrics, and targets, demonstrate a different prototype in a relation with software engineering, explain UX design principle with case example. Then these are the suggested learning resources. The textbook is also mentioned here, and the web links, and activity based whatever we will be doing, that is also it is mentioned here. Okay, so when it comes to module 1 introduction, so in introduction we'll be seeing the usability to user experience, emotional impact as a part of user experience. User experience needs a business case, extracting interaction design requirements, needs and requirements, formal requirement extraction, methods of requirement extraction. Now, let us see what is UI UX. User interface and user experience are both critical aspects of designing digital products. UI focuses on the visual elements of a product like button, icon, and layout, while UX is all about the overall experience a user has while interacting with the product, encompassing factors like usability, accessibility, and emotional response. When designing UI, you are concerned with creating interface that are visually appealing, easy to navigate, and consistent across different devices and screen size. This involve choosing colors, font, and visual elements that align with the brand identity and enhance the user's understanding and interaction with the product. UX design, on the other hand, involves the understanding the user behavior needs and motivations to create experiences that are intuitive and efficient and satisfying. This includes conducting user research, creating user persons, wireframing and prototype, usability, prototexting, and iterating based on feedback to continuously improve the user experience. When it comes to usability is the pragmatic component of user experience, including effectiveness, efficiency, productivity, ease of use, learnability, retainability, and pragmatic aspects of user satisfaction. When it comes to usefulness, it is the component of user experience to which the system functionality gives the ability to use the system or a product to accomplish the goals of work. Functionality is the power to do the work seated in the non user interface computational features and capability. Emotional impact is the effective component of the user experience that influences user feelings. Emotional impact includes such as effect as pleasure, fun, joy of use, aesthetic desirability, pleasure, novelty, originality, sensational, coolness. Engagement and appeal can involve a deeper emotional factors such as self-expression, self-identity, a feeling of contribution to the world, and pride of ownership. From usability to user experience, we will see about the HCI, the traditional concept of usability. HCI is known as human computer interaction, in what happens when a human user and a computer system in the broadcast sense get together to accomplish something. Usability is that the aspects of HCI devoted ensuring that the human computer interaction is among the other things effective and efficient and satisfying the contextual inquiry. The contextual inquiry is an early system or the early product of life cycle activity to gather detailed description of customer or a user work practice for the purpose of understanding work activities and underlying the rational. The goal of conceptual inquiry is to improve the work practice and construct or improve the system designs to support it. The contextual inquiry includes both interview and customers and users and the observation of a work and practice occurring in its real world context. So the usability includes characteristics such as ease of use, productivity, efficiency, effectiveness, learnability, retainability, and user satisfaction. So these are the three levels of emotional processing. One is the visual thing, where you can where you can have the contents like attractiveness, pre-consciousness, initial impressions and feeling. The next one is the behavioral, that is usability, product function, performance, effective of use. Then next is reflective, the meaning of the product, impact of thought, sharing the experience and cultural meaning. Next is the misconception about the usability, the expanding concept of quality in our design. Discussion focuses on the investigating a varieties of approaches beyond usability, such as user experience, as aesthetic interaction, ambiguity, slow technology, and various ways to understand the social, cultural, and other conceptual aspect of a world. So when it comes to the satisfaction to the user, the interaction experience in the system is most important. So when it comes to the user experience, it includes the usability factor, usefulness factor, and the emotional impact factor. So this is an user experience that can't be designed. So there is a interaction design, there is a interaction, the user contents, the branding, politics, marketing and social. So here is a user on your right hand side, where user will have the user experience, which will depend on the instruction interaction design. So whatever the user is felt, that is called as the user experience, and that is how they are trying to explain this diagram.